Zambrano. If you don't know me yet, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so this community can grow. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I know you guys are still in the organization mode, in the new year mode. So part of the new year is starting an organized year. And these steps have helped me tremendously. And honestly, I did not get them from the internet. I did not get them from anywhere. I literally learned by experience. Let's get started. The first step, it is gonna be a little difficult because if you're like me, you probably have 3,000 to 6,000 pictures on your phone. Who can relate? You're gonna back them up. They're in an internet software, a USB, wherever you wanna back them up, but you're gonna back them up and you're only gonna leave a few on your phone that you're gonna edit and you wanna put on Instagram, that you wanna share, that you just wanna have some memories on your phone, but you're not gonna leave more than 1,000 pictures or even more than 500 pictures. Maybe you guys are asking yourself, why are we starting with the phone? It's safe to say, if you do not have an organized phone, you're not gonna have an organized life. Anyways, part of this phone thing is also erasing any apps you no longer use. It is safe to say that this app might have been popular at some point, but it is not anymore and it's just taking room, and honestly, why do you even want that on your phone? So just taking a few minutes and organizing your life that way, trust me, you'll feel much better. And the second one kind of goes hand on hand. It is not on your cell phone, or it might be on your cell phone, but it is email. You need to check those 3,000 emails that you have unread. Okay, you don't really have to check them all because I didn't do it. I'll tell you guys what I did. I pretty much went, let's just say I had a subscription from Walmart, Target, something. And I'm like, why am I subscribed to Walmart or Target right now? Like, I never check them. So what I did, put in the little bar at the top, Target, Walmart, whatever you want to get rid of. You're gonna find all those emails. You're gonna erase them all just at once. You don't even have to read them. That's probably already gonna be 500 or more emails. You're gonna keep on doing that with every single one. Like, this is what I did. I went on the first page of my email and I saw, okay, I have this blog. I don't like this blog anymore, or I'm not interested in this blog no more. So I literally went looking for all those emails and I erased them. Plus, I went to one of those emails before I erased them all and I unsubscribed at the bottom. Or you could just choose to delete them and just keep the subscription. But that's definitely gonna help you clean a lot of it. The third step is automate all you can. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Automate all you can. I'm not talking just about emails. Even your coffee in the morning. If you know you wake up at a certain time, you go down, do your coffee, come back up, get ready, go back down to get your coffee and it's cold. So no. Automate even your coffee if you can. This is gonna allow you to do more things on the long list that you have, on your long to-do list that you have every single day. So definitely automate all you can. There's so many things you could automate. Just look it up on the internet. It's bills, there's coffee. If you are a blogger, if you do anything on social media and you want to be consistent, you could schedule your posts. Number 4 is something we all have, unless you're very digital, okay? But as for me, I still have a bunch of papers thinking, I don't have any more actually, I cleaned them and that's why I got this tip. So I'm telling you guys. So I know we often think we're gonna need papers because they're a contract for something, but after a while it just gets old, or you're no longer in service with whatever company and you no longer need the contract. If you have a car, obviously I will keep that. If you have a house, I will keep any papers I have to do with the house. I had a bunch of school papers. I graduated in 2015. We're in 2018. What was I doing with that? Get rid of those papers. It's really good for you to know what is in every corner of your house. So if you know that those papers you no longer need, just get rid of them. Number 5, we're going to the kitchen. How many of you actually have food right in the back of the fridge that you think you're gonna eat one day and it's actually pretty bad right now? I just can't keep accumulating more stuff in our life that we don't need. Step number 6 is getting rid of clothes you no longer need. So either throw it away if it's really bad, or you could donate it. Of course, it's always, what's your trash is gonna be somebody's treasure type of thing, right? Is that how you say it? Get rid of your clothes that you no longer need. It is very important that you ask yourself, have I used it in the last 6 months? Do I still love it? Do I love it? Will you buy it again? If you go to the store, will you buy this piece of clothing again? If all these questions are no, but here I often, like very constantly, I'm taking stuff out, especially because of the nature of my job. I always have to dress kind of differently to not come out the same in camera and stuff like that. So I try to get rid of it. My weekend clothes, I do have it usually for a long time, but I do try to use all of it. And if not, I do get rid of it eventually. And last but not least, create a schedule for your life. It is very, very important. If you have goals, especially to accomplish, if you don't plan on these goals, they're never gonna happen. If you don't plan to achieve these goals, and I don't mean, oh yes, I just want to achieve these goals and write it down. No, 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 no. You gotta write specific steps to get to where you want to get. So in order for you to do this, you do have to be very specific of what you're gonna do during your days, during the week, during your months, during the year to achieve this. So it is very important, guys. If you guys don't learn to plan, you guys are planning to fail. Like if you guys just don't plan, you guys are planning to fail. So you guys need to get yourself a calendar, get yourself a notebook, anything that's gonna keep you accountable of the things you need to do. Guys, I hope these 7 steps will help you have a more organized life. Still working on that, but I know these tips will definitely help you guys because they have helped me tremendous, and I feel more organized just to start the year. And I don't have, you know, if you have a cluttered life, it's gonna be really hard for you to focus on the stuff you really need to focus on. So it's really important, guys. Just make sure you do these steps. Let me know how they work for you in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, go follow me on social media, and subscribe to my channel. Well, till next time, guys. Bye.